Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Preparing to make a dream board? Decide the purpose of your dream board. Generally, a dream board is filled with images of who you want to be or what you envision in your future. This can include where you want to live, what kind of house you want to have, how you want to improve your physique, or where you want to go on vacation. It should be designed to serve as your image of the future. Your vision board focuses on how you want to feel in the future so that you can visualize this future and eventually make it come to life. A dream board is a great way to get in touch with your intuition and better understand yourself and your dreams. Enjoy the process of making a dream board. Purchase a poster board. You can find a poster board at nearly any arts and crafts store or office supplies store. Many drug stores and grocery stores will carry them as well. Decide if you want a white poster board or one with a colored background. Determine what size you want your dream board to be. You can make it as large as you want, including all aspects of your future goals, or you can make a smaller board for each focus of your life. You can either choose a paper-like board which will not be as sturdy, but is usually of lower cost, or you can choose a foam board which will be sturdier, but usually costs more. Collect magazines. The easiest way to make a dream board is to use pictures from magazines. Choose any pictures that appeal to you or speak to you and consider including them on your dream board. There are a wide range of magazines that you can choose from that will be tailored to your specific interests. Here are some basic magazine suggestions for different topics: Fashion and Style, Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Elle Glamour, Science, Nature and Technology, National Geographic, Scientific American, Popular Science, Cars, Popular Mechanics, Car and Driver, Motor Trend, House and Home, Better Homes and Gardens, Real Simple, Architectural Digests, Sports and Athletics, ESPN, Sports Illustrated, Travel and Adventure, Travel and Leisure, Budget Travel, National Geographic Traveler, Backpacker. Choose pictures that match your ideal image of the future. These can be photos of people, places, or things, anything that you envision as a goal for your future. There is no right or wrong picture to put on a dream board. Find bright, colorful images that make you feel positive, ambitious, or motivated. In addition to magazines, consider using photographs or pictures from the internet. You should put anything that inspires you onto your dream board. Find inspiring quotes. While it is not necessary to include quotes on your vision board, many people find it useful to include quotes that speak to you. Include a favorite quote or do a Google search for inspirational quotes. Type your quotes in a Word document using an interesting font or interesting color in order to add a personal touch to your dream board. Look for pictures that you associate with your chosen quote or quotes for an extra special touch. Include trinkets. Something that has a unique or special meaning to you or elicits a happy feeling or positive emotions can also be included on your vision board. It can be something like a piece of jewelry that is no longer worn, a feather, a coaster, a pin, etc. Making your dream board. Tailor your dream board to your unique goal or goals. Your dream board can depict all areas of your life, including relationships, possessions, career, family, or it can be specific to one area of your life that you want to improve. The more you organize and personalize your dream board, the more likely you are to want to use it on a daily basis. Tear or cut out chosen photos and quotes. For a more rugged or undone look, tear your photos or quotes around the edges. For a neater look, cut out the quotes and photos with a pair of scissors, or consider mixing the two styles for a truly unique look. Paste the photos and quotes on the poster board. Be as creative as you want with the actual construction of your dream board. You can place the pictures in an overlapping, intentionally messy way on the board, or you can keep it clean and neat and arrange your photos and quotes in an organized way. Lay everything out before you start gluing or taping. This will ensure your dream board turns out exactly as you envision it. For a particularly creative touch, purchase interesting thumbtacks and tack some pictures and quotes to your dream board. Consider pasting images on colorful backgrounds before attaching them to your dream board to add some color and pattern to your dream board. Feel free to include embellishments, such as glitter or stickers. Use whatever makes you feel great. Using your dream board. Keep your dream board in a highly visual area. It has been recommended to keep your vision board on or around your nightstand so that you can spend a dedicated time each evening visualizing, internalizing, and affirming your goals for the future. If possible, put your dream board in a location where it is one of the first and one of the last things you look at each day. Keep a picture of your dream board on your phone. If you ever feel like you're lacking focus, take a quick glance at it to refocus and recenter yourself. If you make several different dream boards for different areas of your life, you may want to keep them in locations that are relevant to the aspect of your life on which they focus. Leave some blank space on your vision board. This blank space represents the growth and evolution of your dreams. Plus, it would be nice to have some blank space if you want to add more pictures, quotes, or trinkets to your vision board without redoing it completely. Believe in the power of your dream board. Your dream board is a way to visualize your future and your future goals, and visualization has been shown to be one of the most powerful mental exercises that you can do. Consider sharing your dream board. Making dream boards with a group of friends can be a fun way to exercise your creativity and spend some time bonding. When you finish constructing your dream board, give everyone a chance to talk a bit about why they made their dream board the way they did. Speaking your visions, dreams, and goals aloud is another step toward making them come true. In particular, share your dream board with people around you who support your goals and dreams. You will appreciate their positive energy supporting your dreams. Create a new dream board each year. Dreams evolve and sometimes change completely, so it is good to keep growing your dream board along with your changing dreams. Look back on old dream boards to see your personal and/or professional growth and achievements over the years.